Now we are going to see the next practical. Practical first. Practical from the physiology. The entitled separation of photosynthetic pigments by paper chromatography. The green plants during the sunlight with the help of the CO2 and water, they prepare the food material in the form of the carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is the simple sugars easily utilized by the plant. These photosynthetic pigments, that is consist with the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, xanthopsin and carotenes. The xanthopsin and carotenes are the accessory pigments. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B are the essential pigments. The solar, that is the radiant energy, is trapped by the other pigments and transferred to the chlorophyll A, and cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation takes place. From these photosynthetic pigments, we have to going to separate. For this purpose, first we have requires the preparations of the material. For this purpose, the separation of the pigments, fresh moringa leaves or sesbania leaves are taken. These moringa leaves, then mortar pestle, then 80% acetone, solvent system petroleum ether, 95% acetone, glass jars, chromatography paper, leads, threads for loading the material. These are the requirements for this practical. First of all, how the experiment is set. First, in the procedure, preparation of the plant extract. Fresh moringa or sesbania leaves, 2 grams are taken. They are washed with distilled water. They are blotted. Large veins, petioles are removed. In the mortar pestle, these 2 gram leaves are taken, crushed. While crushing, 80% small amount of the acetone is added and crushing. These extract, after crushing, it is filtered to the muslin cloth and filtered is taken. Here, then loading. Here, the chromatograph paper, chroma means color, graph means in this chromatograph paper, Hartmann number 1 chromatograph paper taken. This chromatograph paper is a specialized paper which having the small pores, and through the pores the solvent system along with the photosynthetic pigments run, and after running it gives the different or separate the photosynthetic pigments. Then loading. A small piece 8-inch the chromatograph paper is cut, then 1 or 2 centimeter level the point, the small pencil, with the help of the pencil the mark there for loading purpose. Then loading takes place. Loading takes place from micropipette 1 drop, 8 to 10 drops are put. Then the care should be taken, the micropipe does not touch to the chromatograph paper, otherwise it punch out. That is the whole formation there. Therefore, without touching, the loading takes place. After 1 drop, take a rest. After drying, then second drop, such as the 7 to 8 drops of the plant extract loaded. After sufficient drying, kept in a jar. Before kept in the jar, the solvent system is used. The solvent system, petroleum ether and 95% acetone, 9:1 is taken in this jar. Generally 10 ml is taken in the jar. Then loaded chromatograph paper is deep into this jar, kept into the jar. Care should be taken the load portion. The load portion does not be deep into solvent system. Then tied with the thread and jar is covered by means of the lid. After half an hour, near about, there is a development of the color spots there. The solvent system run and it stops its running. Mark this running as the solvent. After sufficient loading chromatograph, kept outside the chromatograph paper dry and marked with the colored pigments. Here observation table shows orange red carotenes, yellow green xanthophylls, blue green chlorophyll A, yellow green chlorophyll B. Such that the marking were done. Then with the help of the scale and pencil, RF value is calculated. RF value, that is a distance travelled by solute. That is a pigment, that is which are the colored pigments which are located from the solvent to this one solute, and this divided by distance travelled by solvent. Solvent is always same for all pigments. Distance travelled by solute, this one less, this one more and more, and calculate the RF value. RF value means distance travelled by solute divided by distance travelled by the solvent. RF means retardation factor. Then RF value is less than 1. On this basis, the plant material which are given, the conclusion is the given plant material consists the photosynthetic pigments, that is the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, xanthophyll and carotenes.